Sometimes, all you need is a moment like this. Perched high above the crashing waves, surrounded by the vibrant tapestry of nature, I found a peace that transcends words. The panoramic view of the ocean, framed by the deep green of the hills, was a potent reminder of the earth's raw, untamed beauty. A moment to breathe, to appreciate, to simply be. The vibrant greenery clinging to the cliffs only adds to the drama. It's definitely a highlight of my adventure. Feeling energized and ready for more. Thank you for watching, and please follow for more videos soon.